Let's fix a stripped out grill knob using Polymorph plastic. This is my old trusty Kenmore grill that I use probably 3 or 4 times a week in the spring, summer, and fall months anyway. But it developed an issue on that knob right there where the valve had gotten corroded and completely stuck. So when you would try to spin the knob, it would just spin without actually turning the valve. Well, I went ahead and replaced that valve with a brand new one, but we have an issue here where instead of that being a kind of a D shape like that is now completely stripped out and is more of a circle. But we're going to see if we can fix it using some Polymorph plastic. So let's get to it. And this is my completely cluttered workbench. First thing I'm going to do is try to remove some of this black plastic, or actually I'm going to try to remove as much of it as I can, so that way when I put the Polymorph plastic in there, it will kind of fill up the whole cavity and I can push this back onto the grill and hopefully it'll form around the shape of the valve. And yeah, that's the hope anyway. I was able to find a couple drill bits. I'm going to use this small one after using the big one to hollow out most of it. I can use this one to maybe try to wallow out the corners a little bit and get a little closer. I would have liked to have found a drill bit maybe a size up from this, but I have a tendency to lose drill bits. Apparently it's one of my favorite things to do. So this is what I got, and it's probably not at all sharp, but this is just plastic, so hopefully it won't be an issue. We'll see how it goes anyway. Woo! Well, it's doing something. All right, I think I went through all the way. At least I didn't go all the way through this side. That hot plastic smells weird. So I'll switch out to the smaller bit and see if I can wallow that out some more. If I can't, I don't think it'll be the end of the world. We'll see what happens. Well, it's not too bad. There's still a little bit more plastic in there. I'm going to drill edit some more and see if I can get some more of this black plastic removed, and I won't bore you with that. Alright, I've got some really hot water here that I heated up in the microwave and a little bit of Polymorph plastic beads. About that many. And I'm just going to dump those in there and let them start to soften up. Alright, they've gone clear. That's how you know that they're completely softened as much as they're going to. So I will go ahead and fish these out of there and start cramming it down in here. And here goes nothing. Alright, now we'll just let that sit for about 10 minutes for the plastic to reharden again, and we'll see if we have a success or it's a overwhelming failure. Either way, it cost me like 4 cents worth of polymorph plastic in a couple minutes of time, so if it doesn't work out, I won't be too upset. I can always just pull one of the other knobs off to put onto that one, so that way I can turn it. But yeah, that's kind of embarrassing when you have friends over and you're cooking out, and yeah. Well, it's been about 10 minutes, so let's see what we got. There's high, all the way down to low, and it stops. All the way back to high, and off again. I would call that a result. If you like the new style of video I'm making here, just leave me a comment down below, let me know, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I put up a new video. And I plan on putting up more videos like this really soon. I have a whole lot of stuff in store, working on some motorcycles, mini bikes, go-karts, cars, fabricating out of fiberglass, all sorts of fun stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, stay tuned, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.